Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your March 2020 Flavors of the Month kit. This kit's available every month, includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You can subscribe and have it shipped to you each and every month, or you can jump in and out on the months that you wish. With each kit, you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections, designed by the design team. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you can follow their instructions and create really quick, beautiful layouts. This month, as you can see, is all about spring and florals, and I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. So this month we have from American Crafts, Chamel's Never Grow Up, Echo Park, I Love Spring, Photo Play Paper, Tula Norbert, Pink Paisley's VInMonaco. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection from American Crafts is Never Grow Up, designed by Chamel. So if you know Chamel's collections, they always have a wide variety of themes, they're colorful, and they're just so much fun. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of denim cardstock. The paper is this one called Enchanted Sky, and it has all of these like crayon drawn rainbows and the clouds and the sunshine on that blue. The back is a ledger paper. Then we have this one called Small Discoveries, and it's all of these little cut aparts here. So you could cut these in strips or cut them individually or fussy cut the icons inside of the squares. So many ways that you could use this paper and so many images on here. The back is a rainbow polka dot. I have this one called Make a Wish, which has all of like the dandelions on the green, and the back says Wish. So you could use that for summer, picking flowers, your children, or even on birthday layouts. And that's the one thing that I love about her collections is they are so versatile and you can use them for so many different things. So one more look at the pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the phrase thickers, so they will vary, but this is the one that I got. And 1/6 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So I got lots of little flowers and leaves, so again, those will vary. That is a Never Grow Up from American Crafts. Next, from Echo Park, we have I Love Spring. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this beautiful spring bouquet with the daffodils and the tulips. The back is a tone-on-tone print, so it has little leaves in that kind of spring robin's egg blue. This one is called Fresh Cut Flowers. Then we have this paper that has the little bumblebees. Super cute. And the back is a yellow and white stripe, and this paper is called Busy Bumblebees. Another gorgeous paper with all of the different butterflies. So this is another paper that's really fun to fussy cut for embellishments. And the back is a pink floral on pink. So you can see just lots of beautiful spring colors. For your embellishments, you're going to receive 1/2 a pack of the ephemera. So there's a wide variety. They will differ among the kits, but there's lots of little tags and frames with phrases and all of those beautiful flowers and icons. So that is I Love Spring from Echo Park. Next, from Photo Play Paper, we have Tula and Norbert, and I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite all-time collections. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. We have this paper that's called Gnomies, and it is just full of these adorable little gnomes. The back is a green pattern, tone on tone, with the little squiggly lines. This one is called Hi Ho, and it has a plaid in the green and that minty green and orange. The back is an orange polka dot. And then we have I Love Gnomies, which are all these cute flowers. And the back is a stripe with all the different colors in this color scheme. So one more look at the patterned paper. Then for the embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border down here in that diagonal stripe, a border of flower beds. We have all of those adorable little gnomes and mushrooms, lots of these little phrase labels, and a frame, some large words, just so much to embellish with. So that is Tula and Norbert from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is VInMonaco from Pink Paisley. This is another floral collection that is just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper, number 3, has these beautiful roses in all of the different colors. The back is a polka dot, but the print is like a floral patterned background. So it's almost like a die cut, like you did a black paper with die cut with all the circles and laid it over the paper. So that is super fun. We have this one that has the embellishments in each corner of the flowers, a black with white polka dot. So these papers are fun because you have to do very little to finish your layouts. And the back is this chevron, and again, part of these is like a patterned paper with the florals going through it. Then we have paper number 8, which is this black and white print of the florals. So this is another fun one. You could do some mixed media if you're into that and put some color on some of those, or leave it the way it is just to break up all of the bright colors in this collection. The back is a chevron stripe and all of the different colors from this collection. This collection also has full branding strips, so you get a little bit of extra pattern paper there. Then you'll receive half of the sticker sheet. So this is a 6x12 sticker sheet. We have this border here with that chevron paper and a black scalloped with the polka dots, lots of word labels, and then beautiful florals and butterfly icons. So that is a look at VInMonaco from Pink Paisley. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room, as well as all the individual items in the store that you can add onto your orders. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to check out what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.